Welcome back to Passionate About Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you two completely free ways to screen mirror your iPhone to any Windows laptop or PC so you can see your phone on the big screen for games, presentations, or just browsing. No cables, no paid apps, super simple. Ready? Let's jump in. Okay, method number 1, using LonelyScreen. This one's awesome because it's tiny, fast, and works like magic with AirPlay. Open your favorite web browser. In the address bar, type lonelyscreen.com and hit enter. I'll put the direct link in the description below, so just click that. On the page, click the Download tab. Then click the big Download for Windows button. It's free, ignore any pricing stuff higher up. Once it's done, double-click the installer that popped up. Click Yes if Windows asks for permission. Let it download the latest version real quick. Takes just a few seconds. Then click Install. Leave the location as default, click Next, and boom, it's installed instantly. It might open another browser tab, just close it. Then click on Install to finish. Now look, LonelyScreen AirPlay receiver is running in your taskbar, down by the clock. Double-click it to open the window. Make it full screen if you want, easier to see. It'll ask to activate or subscribe, just click Maybe Later. It works perfectly without paying. Super important, make sure your iPhone and PC are on the exact same Wi-Fi network. Same one. Grab your iPhone, swipe down from the top right corner to open Control Center. Tap Screen Mirroring, it looks like two rectangles. If you don't see it, no worries. Tap and hold anywhere in Control Center, tap Add a Control, find Screen Mirroring, tap the plus sign to add it. You'll see LonelyScreen listed. It shows up as an Apple TV. So smart. Tap it. In a couple seconds, boom, your iPhone screen is live on your PC. Look at that, zero lag. You can play games, watch videos, show photos, whatever. Drag the window smaller, move it around, totally up to you. To stop, just tap Stop Mirroring on your iPhone. Easy. Method number 2, using AirConnect from the Microsoft Store. This one's great if you want something straight from Microsoft. Click the Start button, type Microsoft Store, and open it. Or press Windows key plus S, type Store, hit Enter. In the search bar at the top, type AirPlay and hit Enter. You'll see a bunch of AirPlay receiver apps pop up. Look for the free one called AirConnect, Screen Mirroring, and File Sharing. It's got a 2.9-star rating and 133 reviews in the productivity category. Click Get to install it. Once it's done, click Open. You'll see the AirConnect window with an AirPlay receiver section. Make sure your iPhone/iPad is on the same Wi-Fi network as your PC. It'll remind you in red if not. Now click Start AirPlay, the button with the screen icon. It'll initialize in a few seconds, and you're good to go, says Successfully Set Up. Perfect. On your iPhone, open Control Center, tap Screen Mirroring. Now you'll see AirPlay Receiver, or AirConnect, pop up in the list. Tap it, and you're mirroring. Boom, your iPhone screen pops up on the PC. Double-click the window to go full screen if you want. Same deal, super smooth, no delay. Stop anytime from your iPhone. How cool is that? 2 free methods that just work. If nothing shows up in screen mirroring, double-check Wi-Fi, restart both apps, or restart your PC. Happens sometimes. Easy fix. Pro tip, for the best quality, sit close to your router. And if you want sound, it comes through your PC speakers automatically. If this helped you mirror your iPhone like a pro, smash that like button and hit subscribe so you never miss a trick. That's all for today, tech lovers. Stay passionate, keep tinkering, and I'll catch you in the next one. See you soon!